Okay.
Back.
So, Maureen Driscoll, where were you when you were my age? Some of these are very deep.
So I don't know. What is your age? Your high school?
Yeah.
Yeah. I grew up in Beverly, Massachusetts. I lived about a block away from the ocean, and I've always been really interested in marine life and spent all my time at the beach. So yeah, I was a high school student.
That's awesome. I always liked marine biology too, as well as marine creatures. Pretty much any animals, actually. So what led you to become a marine biologist?
Yeah, so I ended up going to Salem State College. It's actually Salem State University in Salem, Mass. And I was a biology major there, and I was really involved with the college's biological society, and most of the people in there had a real interest in marine biology, and as a group we did like a lot of things extracurricularly, you know, beach cleanups and all of these other things, and
Sounds
we were
like
just
really cool.
so we just really focused a lot on marine biology. So yeah, and then after I graduated, I actually stayed a biology major because I thought I was going to go to medical school, but then I became really interested in research, and particularly microbiology. So I ended up going to the University of Rhode Island, and I have a degree in cell and molecular biology with a concentration in microbiology, but my dissertation research was done on a marine microorganism that affects salmon and other shellfish, and it's really important in aquaculture, so I still stayed really interested in marine biology, and then I spent some time doing a postdoc in a toxicology lab where we monitor environmental compounds and stuff, and some of that stuff we also did with marine organisms. And when I saw an opportunity here at the aquarium, I was very excited. This is exactly kind of the place where I always pictured myself working, really contributing to overall health of animals, and just having a real sense that you're doing something important that's actually making a difference.
Okay. So did you always want to be a marine biologist or work with microbes or?
I originally thought I was gonna go to medical school. I'm really interested in health and stuff, but then I became more interested in the health research, and then more so with marine life.
Oh, that's awesome.
As more people that you meet and talk to, your interests tend to change. Everybody's always doing something really exciting, so I kind of got swept up in that, and yeah, so I would say yes in some manner.
So is this your dream job? Do you feel happy doing this?
Yes, definitely. I would say when I interviewed here, I actually think I spoke those very words. This would be my dream job. I would love to work here.
That's awesome.
Why would you want to work here? I'd love to work here. It's also great. It's very different environment than working at like another lab, because when you get stressed out here, you can walk outside and look at a beluga whale or a gorgeous stellar sea lion. So yeah, it's a wonderful place to work.
So did your family agree with you becoming a marine biologist?
Yeah, my family was always very supportive.
What kind of pointers do you have for someone like me who's in a college setting?
Just to get as much experience with a variety of things as you can, and take advantage of any opportunities that your school might offer, whether that's going to different lectures or things outside of maybe your major. Sometimes I used to tag along on a lot of field trips to like Woods Hole with other classes that I wasn't necessarily enrolled in, but I used to go along with them because I was really interested. And like I said, you know, I really thought I wanted to do one thing, but you know, after meeting people and talking with people, you know, there's so many things that people are doing in science today that you just don't even know what might, you know, you might find out there that might really, you know,
pique your interest.
yeah, exactly.
Oh, that's awesome. So what kind of opportunities does this job offer you? What kind of special things happen here that don't happen very many other places?
Well, for one thing, you know, being with these animals and getting to work with these animals every day, you know, on a weekly basis, you'll find the research team walking down with the veterinary team and the husbandry team to the beluga exhibit, where we go and we help with blood collection, collecting blow samples and all of that stuff. You know, we're in the process of weighing our whales this month, and that takes quite a lot of people. It involves a crane, involves, you know, a whole bunch of us in neoprene waders in with the whales, so that would definitely be a unique situation, yeah. And there's also the opportunity to travel. We go to a lot of different conferences that we're involved in, which, you know, happen all over the U.S. and Canada, and as well as going on some of these excursions. We're able to go up to Bristol Bay. We're also partnered with a native tribe up in Alaska, where they kind of do an exchange program with some of the Inuit Indians here in this area, and they can go up there to learn, and then in turn their students come here and can work in our lab and get some experience.
Oh, that's
and
awesome.
So hopefully I'll be on one of those trips very soon.
What did you have to sacrifice in pursuit of this awesome job that you're now in? What kind of struggles did you have to go through?
Well, job opportunities like this, because this is a unique environment, they might not be as plentiful as, you know, say a job at maybe Pfizer or something where you could do other research. So just that kind of waiting for an opportunity. And, you know, for me, because I'm older and, you know, I have a family, you know, sometimes, you know, science isn't always a 9-to-5 job. So there is kind of varied time, but in the same regard that's one of the benefits here, that it is kind of flexible. So sometimes it will be really, really busy and here really, really late hours, and then other times, you know, it might not be.
That's awesome. That is really awesome. So, thank you for your time.
You're welcome. Good luck in your career choice in your school. It's really great having dual high school, college enrollment.
Yeah.
That's really awesome. But I can show you guys out.